So put some oil in a pan and we will fry the daing or the dried fish. And for me, I'm going to use a combination of labahita and anchovies, or the small dried fish, dried salted fish. Just flip the fish and continue frying. Hindi naman natin kailangan itong i-fry or i-toast ng husto kasi basta maging aromatic lang. And after this, ihahalo naman natin ito sa gulay. So, ang bango-bango niya na. Pina-fry lang naman natin to kasi para medyo maalis yung lansa. So, okay na to. Hanguin natin. And then we're gonna fry the anchovies or the dilis. And imagine, this small package already cost 15 pesos. So same thing, we're gonna toast this a bit, konting toast lang, pero hindi sobrang lutong. Dahil ihahalo pa natin to sa gulay. So, hintayin nyo lang maging aromatic and alisin nyo na sa pan. So, add some more oil and we will fry naman the onion and the garlic. So, just saute. So saute this one until fragrant and maging transparent yung onion. I lower the heat kasi masyado mainit yung kawali natin. Continue stirring this para hindi siya masunog kasi medyo hindi pantay-pantay yung pagkakakat ko ng sibuyas. So add the garlic, the crushed garlic. We're gonna be adding the boiled jackfruit, langka, o yung hilaw na langka that I boiled a while ago. Pinalambot. Kasi we need to boil this para lumambot. Kasi most of the time, napakatigas nito. So, mas maganda, malambot. So, let's put the jackfruit. Jackfruit para mag-isa. So, ito na, nailagay na lahat yung langka. And look how soft. How soft yung pagkakaboil natin dito. Kasi mas masarap talaga ito, mas malambot. And para saglit na lang natin, lulutuin ito sa coconut milk. So, continue sauteing this. We're gonna put some pepper, ground pepper, depending on your taste, and a little bit of salt. Siyempre, kung meron pepper, meron salt. Konting salt lang kasi meron tayong bagoong, balayan bagoong na ilalagay dito. So, just continue stirring this. the labahita. Ito yung hinimay kong labahita that we just fried a while ago. So we can put this now. And the dilis. Okay. Actually, you can do this in any order. As long as nasutay nyo yung langka. Na-boil and nasutay. Saute this for a while. Then, we're going to put this back on the pot na pinagkuluan natin ng langka. Then, doon na natin siya iboboil sa coconut milk together with the lemongrass. Well, yung karamihan recipe sa internet, hindi nyo makikita na naghahalo sila ng lemongrass. Pero on my version, I usually put lemongrass in this langka para mabango. Mas aromatic. So, I'm gonna put the coconut milk na. This is my version of my ginataan langka. Merong tanglad. So, pag nag-boil yan, mabango siya kasi merong tanglad or lemongrass. Pag medyo natuyo na to, we can add the coconut cream. Pero kung gusto niyo medyo masabaw, you can add a little bit of water. Diba? And then we can now add the fish sauce. Yan. And then later on, taste nyo na lang kung maalat ba or kulang pa sa alat. Cover this and simmer. So it is now simmering. Look at that. You can smell now na napaka-aromatic niya because of the lemongrass combined with the other ingredients. So napakabango, soft, and so creamy. So continue stirring this, and a few minutes later we will taste this if the saltiness is already okay. So tikman natin. Tikman natin. Kita nyo, napaka-creamy. Kasi pure coconut milk. Walang water. Pero it's up to you kung gusto nyo mas masabaw. So pwede nyo lagyan ng konting tubig. But for me, this is just the right amount of coconut milk. Kasi mag-a-add pa tayo ng coconut cream maya-maya. Harap. Tama lang yung saltiness. Kasi wala namang problema kung medyo matabang. Dahil pwede ka naman magpatis pag kumakain ka na. Mahirap kapag maalat. So, for this, I'll just add more ground pepper. Pero okay na yung timpla. Pero mas gusto ko mas peppery. Add the coconut cream. See? Simutin natin kasi sayang. Napakamahal ng mga bilihin. So yummy. That chili. Up to you kung gaano karami yung gusto nyo. Or gusto nyo maanghang, you can add siling labuyo or the small chili peppers. But for me and my family, ayaw nila ng masyadong maanghang, so I just put some green chili. That's it. Continue simmering this until kung daanan yung pagustong or how thick or kung masabaw ba or mas tuyo yung mas gusto niyo. So just cover this one and continue simmering. So after a while na sinimmer natin, tikman natin ulit. Since dinagdagan natin ng coconut cream, tikman natin ulit kung okay na. Good. But for me, dadagdagan ko pa ng 1 tablespoon of anchovies or I mean, a fish sauce. So, dagdagan natin. And talagang depende sa inyo kung gaano kaalat kung gusto nyo. And dagdagan ko pa ng konting brown pepper. And this is final. Sarap. Creamy, so soft, just the right amount of saltiness, and the fish sauce or the bagoong balayan combined with the salted fish, salted labarita, and salted anchovies. So that's it. It's done. So eat, enjoy, and love. Serve this with hot rice.